Hello students of class 9. Already you have got 12 videos on the chapter of laws of indices. Now your second unit test is coming. So I am making now revisional videos on this chapter. Clear? Already you have completed laws of indices chapter. So you know the basic rules. Still I am writing now. Laws of indices chapter. Basic rules are that if the base same and there is multiplication, so powers will be added. Number 2, in case of division, powers will be subtracted. Then if this is in this form, then powers will be multiplied. And you know, any non-zero positive quantity to the power 0 means 1. This value is 1. And if it is in this form, minus m, when I'll take this in numerator, its sign will be changed. It will become a to the power m. Clear? And this one is that next one. If it is in this form, a by b to the power m. So you can open in this way. Clear? And if a to the power m equals to a to the power n, that means if the base same, then you can equate the powers. Clear? You can write m equals to n. Clear? And if it is in this form, a to the power m equals to b to the power m. Clear? In here power same, so you can write value of m is 0. Why? A to the power 0 means 1, b to the power 0 means 1. So 1 equals to 1. So if this will happen, then value of m is 0. Clear? Now you will get some important sums from reference book. And the most important thing is that you have to solve, you have to prepare that solved part. Clear? Solved by laws of indices method. You will get it in next video. Solved by laws of indices chapter, you will get it in next video. Now suppose the sum is this type. From reference book I am doing. It is giving star mark. Okay. Suppose it is in this form, 2.2 to the power x equals to 0.22 to the power y equals to 100. Then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Clear? Now I am starting what is given, from there I am starting. 2.2 to the power x equals to 100. 100 means we can write 10 square. Clear? Therefore 2.2 is coming, 10 to the power will be divided by this, 10 to the power 2 by x. Keep it. Now next part, from here I will start. 0.22 to the power y equals to 100. So same, 0.22 equals 100 means 10 square, so 10 to the power 2 by y. Clear? Now what can I do? I will divide this one bigger number by smaller number. So what I am doing, 2.2 divided by 0.22 equals to 10 to the power 2 by x by 10 to the power 2 by y. Now this part, you know, if you remove the decimal, then what will come? Okay, I am showing 200 by 2 into 10. So it is coming 10. And right hand side division, base same, power will be subtracted. So here 10 means there is 1, and 2 by x minus 2 by y. Now base same. So what we can write? This is an important sum, okay? We will practice. So what we can write? 2 by x, right side I am writing 2 by x minus 2 by y equals to 1. So what to find out? You have to find out 1 by x. So 2 take common, 1 by x minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. These two I am taking this side. Answer is 1 by 2. Clear? In this way we will practice. If the sum is this type, if it is in this form, to the power x equals to 5 to the power x, then what is the value of x? You have to calculate value of x. So how we can do? Both the powers are same. So you write 3 by 5 to the power x equals to 1, or 3 by 5 to the power x equals to 1 means 3 by 5 to the power 0. Clear? So from here base same, therefore x equal to 0. Value of x is 0. Okay, in this way we can do. If the sum is this type, which one is greater? Which among the numbers is greatest? Okay, I am writing the numbers: 2 to the power 50, 3 to the power 40, and 4 to the power 30. So all are multiples of 10. Clear? So 2 to the power 50 means we can write 2 to the power 5 into 10. 3 to the power 40, we can write 3 to the power 10, 3 to the power 4, 10, and 4 to the power 30, 4 cube 10. We can write in this form, this is 4. Now 2 to the power 5 means what? 2 to the power 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2 32. 32 to the power 10, and 3 to the power 4, 81. 81 to the power 10, and 4 cube 64 to the power 10. Now all the powers are 10, 10, 10. So here which one is the greatest? Obviously 81. So corresponding number is 3 to the power 40. So your answer will be 3 to the power 40 is the greatest number. Clear? In this way you have to do. So in next video you will get that solve portion. That one you will practice from reference book. I am giving reference book also, and from your textbook also you will practice. And in other videos you will get some problems from reference book.